So basically, back in '95, Chevy decided not to put a tachometer in their 95 pickups with the 2.2 liter, which I don't know why, but basically, I put this little guy in here, screwed in through the dash right there. You can see the screw right there. It's just a cheap Bosch tachometer from Advanced Auto Parts. But basically I have it wired into the fuse panel on the side here. The power is going in to where the gauges are powered, which is the red wire. The white wire is for the lighting on the tachometer, which is wired in through the lights fuse. So when you turn the lights on, the light on the tachometer will come on. And to show you where I ran the ground and the signal under the hood, basically I just ran the ground wire under there through the door, and right here where the security alarm is, I bolted it right there. And the signal wire, which is this green one, I ran it underneath. And I ran out of wire, so I ended up using some speaker wire. Once again, kind of tacky. And I came down here. Down to there, I don't know if you can see it, but basically where the coils are, I ran it in through the white wire, which is the signal wire, and that's basically how I installed it on my little 2.2 liter. Heads up, I had to take my passenger wheel off to get to the ignition coils. Right here, there's a flap. And right there you get to the white wire, which is what you need for your signal.